Hello, this is host Fidel, the walking host. Alam naman natin kung bakit ako naglalakad. Dahil mahal na ang gas. And I also want to save for the future. By the way, medyo hinihingal na tayo because we're climbing up. We're going up. Dito sa bundok ng Pabanawag. And we're traveling because our destination, walking. By the way, our destination is El Patio Events Place. Kaya tara? Let's go! By the way guys, we've already reached the top of the mountain. So, andito na tayo ngayon sa dating place. Well, as you can see, this used to be a view deck. Pero ngayon natatakpan na siya ng mga dahon. So, wala na masyadong makita. But kung sisilip-silip ka sa mga parts there, that's Banawag. Oh, that's Baler, and that's Banawag. So there you have to jump. Yeah, jump. So ito, nagmamadali na tayong bumaba ng bundok dahil madilim na. Inabot na naman tayo ng gabi. Time check, it's 6:15. So there you go guys, we're now going downhill. Pababa na tayo ng bundok and nilakad natin yung place na yan, medyo madilim-dilim. So there, that part is still Maria Aurora. Yun naman, going down to Banawag. So as you see, meron ditong tawag dito, Deture area. So you have to take care when you walk downhill. Ayan, diba? This right here guys is going to Hot Spring. And this is the way. See, there's a motorcycle over there. We're almost there, guys. That's the El Patio. We see lights. See? There. Touchdown El Patio. Here. There you go guys, as promised, I've already reached my destination. So, I hope you guys enjoy the walk. Hello, ma'am. This girl right here. Uy, mag-hi ka naman sa vlog ko. Ay, baka mabuhay.
Malamig na. See you guys on my next walk.